This is the new Whirlpool Refrigerator from Nebraska Furniture Mart is where we got this one. The 33-inch. Here is all the information on it right here. Manufacturer 2025 January, so brand new. The model is the wrs321sdhz. The watts defrost system is 103. Max watts ice maker is 7. Nice light. Definitely a nice room. Good for 2 people, I'd say. For a whole family, it'd kind of be a small fridge, freezer. Wonderful ice maker right here. Has an on-off switch, which is a little different. Big tray, auger. There is the freezer. Has a nice tray at the bottom here. Has 3 trays actually for the humidity, anything else. We did take out the top shelf for my elderly grandmother. She probably couldn't reach up that high. They have the butter bottle. They have plenty of shelving in this to stay organized. The freezer though, it has very little shelves on the door. I'd say for a whole family this would be a pretty small little freezer. Very easy to hook up for the water. This does have the water on the front. You can change the freezer temperature by holding this button, which is kind of nice. You don't have the dial. There we go. It is not the best touchscreen, but there we go. For the light, has a nice blue light. Ice type, you can either get the crushed ice or the cubed ice. You can lock it by holding this down for 3 seconds. And once it shows that red lock button, it is locked. You hold it down for 3 more seconds and it unlocks. Refrigerator temperature is the same as the freezer. Then for the water though on this guy, it has it right on top here. There's a little spigot. So you push down to get the water. And then for the ice, we just bought this, so might already be out of ice. Maybe out of ice already. Oh, wonderful Whirlpool stainless steel refrigerator, freezer, 33 inches. We got it through our door, which was 29.5. They were able to bring it in here. If you're interested, go to your local Nebraska Furniture Mart in Omaha, or if you find one at a different store, definitely pick it up. Alright, and then to add on to the Whirlpool video that I'm making, the ice maker didn't work last time. You have to have this all the way back right here and make sure that wire, I believe is correct, is kind of wedged on there. It wouldn't allow that to go all the way back. So, wasn't depositing. There's only a couple in here. Push it in. You should hear that. Push it in, there's the water.